Do you know how the menstrual cycle works? It might sound like a simple question, but the answer is a complex symphony of hormonal signals and biological processes. So, grab a cup of tea or coffee, sit back, and get ready to dive into the fascinating world of the menstrual cycle. The menstrual cycle is a monthly series of changes that occur in the female body to prepare for the possibility of pregnancy. Each cycle is unique, but they typically last around 28 days, give or take a few days. The menstrual cycle begins with menstruation, or what most people refer to as a period. This is the phase when the thickened lining of the uterus, built up in the previous cycle, is shed through the vagina. It's a process that can last anywhere from 2 to 7 days. Next comes the follicular phase. This phase starts on day 1 of menstruation and lasts until ovulation. During this time, the brain releases a hormone called follicle-stimulating hormone, or FSH. This hormone signals the ovaries to prepare an egg for ovulation and stimulates the growth of several ovarian follicles, each containing an immature egg. As these follicles mature, they release estrogen, which causes the lining of the uterus to thicken in preparation for possible implantation of a fertilized egg. This is the body's way of setting up a welcoming environment for a potential pregnancy. Around the middle of the cycle, usually around day 14, we have ovulation. This is when a mature egg is released from the follicle and into the fallopian tube, where it waits to be fertilized. Ovulation is triggered by a surge in luteinizing hormone, or LH, another hormone released by the brain. After ovulation, we move into the luteal phase. If the egg has not been fertilized, the levels of estrogen and progesterone decrease, eventually causing the thickened lining of the uterus to shed, and the cycle begins anew with menstruation. To recap, the menstrual cycle is a beautifully orchestrated process involving several stages: menstruation, the follicular phase, ovulation, and the luteal phase. It's a dance of hormones, FSH, LH, estrogen, and progesterone, all working together to prepare the body for potential pregnancy. Understanding the menstrual cycle is not just important for those who experience it, but also for anyone who wants to understand the incredible complexities and capabilities of the human body. It's a testament to the intricate design of biological systems and a reminder that even the most commonplace aspects of life are filled with wonder and sophistication. So, the next time you think about the menstrual cycle, remember, it's not just a monthly inconvenience. It's a biological masterpiece, a recurring reminder of the intricate and beautiful design of the human body.